Hello students, good morning. In this video, we are going to solve some numerical problems on spontaneity of the reaction, Gibbs energy and second law of thermodynamics. Okay. So here there is a one problem for the reaction C2H4 plus H2 giving you C2H6. Here Kp means all the reactants and products are in gaseous state. Kp is equal to 3.356 into 10 to the power 17. Okay. Then R is given 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. And temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, means here 298 Kelvin. So here in this numerical, we have to calculate this del G0, standard Gibbs energy. So we have standard Gibbs energy is equal to minus here 2.303 RT log to the base 10 Kp. Okay. Here minus 2.303, R is 8.314. Then temperature, that is T is equal to 298 Kelvin multiplied by log to the base 10. This is 3.356 into 10 to the power 17. Okay. So here minus 2.303, 8.314, 298 and multiplied by here 10 to the power 17 means this is 17. Okay. Plus log of 3.356, that is 0.526. Okay. And this is minus 2.303, 8.314, 298 multiplied by 17.526. Okay. So after calculation, that is minus 100,123 joule per Kelvin. Okay. So here that is this is joule per Kelvin per mole, and this is Kelvin. So here Kelvin cancel, and that is del G is equal to, that is joule per mole. Okay. And this is equal to minus 100 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Del G is equal to this much. If this the same reaction it is asked for whether it is a spontaneous or non-spontaneous, then del G is minus 100 kilojoule. That is the sign of that is negative. And if del G is negative, then the reaction is spontaneous. Okay. Okay. After that, then next problem. Calculate del S total for the reaction if calculate del S total. Okay. If for the reaction del H is given, that is minus 238.6 kilojoule. Okay. And standard entropy change is equal to 36.7 joule per Kelvin. And we have to calculate del S total. State whether the reaction is spontaneous or not. Okay. And exothermic or endothermic also. म्हणजे या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपल्याला काय पाहायचंय की डेल एस टोटल काढायचा, सोबतच स्पॉन्टेनियस की नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस हे सांगायचं, आणि एक्झो की एंडो सांगायचं. आता एक्झो आणि एंडो याचं तर आपल्याला या इथे सांगता येतं डेल एच इज इक्वल टू मायनस, and if it is negative then the reaction is exothermic. Okay. Now here del S total is equal to, according to second law of thermodynamics, del S system plus del S surrounding. In this, here del S system is given, but del S surrounding, that is equal to del S surrounding is equal to minus del H upon T according to rule. So here minus of minus 238.6, minus of this is a minus, okay, 238.6, this is kilojoule, divided by this temperature that is at 25 degrees Celsius, means temperature is 298 Kelvin, that is 298 Kelvin, okay, and this is equal to, that is 0.8007, that is kilojoule per Kelvin, and this is 800.7, that is joule per Kelvin. This is del S surrounding, okay. Now del S total is equal to, del S total is equal to del S system plus surrounding, and that system is 36.7 joule per Kelvin plus 800.7 joule per Kelvin. So here 7, that is 4, 1, that is 37, 837.4 joule per Kelvin, del S total. Now the question is that state whether this is spontaneous or not. According to thermodynamics, del S total is greater than 0, the reaction is spontaneous. As there is a del S total is greater than 0, that is this is positive, and therefore the reaction is spontaneous, okay. So after this, watching this video, you have to calculate or solve some numericals. That is, first numerical, first, for the reaction, Kc is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power 18. R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole at 25 degrees Celsius. Calculate del G 0 for the reaction and state whether reaction is spontaneous or not. Second, calculate del S total if del H is equal to minus 309 kilojoule at temperature 27 degrees Celsius, and del S0 is equal to plus 42.7 joule per Kelvin. Also state whether reaction is spontaneous or not.